How would you like to get your paycheck early without paying any fees or having to do anything special? Have you thought that the only way to get a paycheck earlier is to use a payday lender? In this video, we are going to tell you about how you can get paid earlier with no additional costs. Welcome to the Money Details, where we talk lending, banking, and investing. We bring you insights on which financial institutions to do business with to get the best rates and benefits. If you are interested in that type of content or just find today's video helpful, please consider subscribing, and if you do, comment down below. We would love to thank you. If you have already subscribed, we appreciate your continued support. We are going to put the punchline right up front. We're going to cover 4 financial institutions that you can work with to get paid early. Then we are going to tell you the details about how this works. We're going to start with a 100% digital bank, Xeros Bank. They offer early direct deposit with their essential checking account. And this is a really great no-fee checking account. They don't have any minimum monthly balance requirements. They don't have monthly maintenance fees. They offer unlimited domestic ATM fee reimbursements, and they don't have overdraft or non-sufficient funds fees. With their early direct deposit, you can get paid up to 2 days early. There's no fees for doing this. It's just an automatic feature if you have an essential checking account and you set up direct deposit. So next up we have Current, which is a fintech company, and they offer early direct deposit up to 2 days early. But they actually got a lot of publicity with the stimulus payments. Current has been making those stimulus payments available 5 days before the actual government date on the stimulus checks. So with the most recent stimulus payment of March 17th, they actually made those funds available to their customers on March 12th, Friday, March 12th, which was 5 days earlier than those payments were scheduled to arrive. So if that didn't get your attention, I don't know what will. Let's just quickly talk about their accounts. So they offer their accounts with no minimum balance fees or requirements, no hidden fees, no overdraft fees, no bank transfer fees, and free ATM withdrawals at 55,000 locations worldwide, and the ability to make cash deposits at those locations. So next up is Chime, and Chime is another fintech company which also got a lot of publicity about its early crediting of stimulus payments. Like Current, they credited stimulus payments 5 days before the government scheduled date of those payments. So they believe that an online checking account should have no hidden fees and it should be available to everyone. So no minimum balance fees, no monthly fees, no overdraft fees. They specifically also provide no foreign transaction fees. And of course, their key feature is the early direct deposit of your paycheck. So they, like the others, offer crediting of your paycheck up to 2 days before its actual scheduled date. And there's nothing you have to do. It's just an automatic feature when you set up direct deposit to your account. So next up, we have One Finance. And just like the others, early payday with your direct deposit up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled payment of your paycheck. Now, One also has some just interesting features. If you, they use these things called pockets. So you can have a spend pocket, you're kind of spending money, and various different savings pockets. So if you want to have your money allocated to savings, that's kind of how the terminology that they use. And they've got a couple of really unique features, one of which is if you are setting aside 10% of that direct deposit paycheck, that direct deposit to that save pocket is going to earn a really high interest rate, 3%, which is much, much better than most banking institutions. On your regular savings pockets, you're going to earn 1% up to $25,000. The other really interesting features, like the rest, no monthly minimums, no monthly fees. They don't have overdraft fees. They do have what they call a credit line. So instead of having overdraft, they have a credit line that's set up with your account that is used if you don't have sufficient funds in your account. And as long as you pay that back within the same month, they're not going to charge you any interest. So it's just a really different way of giving you overdraft protection. Okay, so some of you are going to want to know how this works. Why do you get your paycheck earlier than the actual date of it? Well, it all comes down to the Automated Clearinghouse Network, ACH. That is how all these bank transfers occur between financial institutions. So whether they're called direct deposit, direct pay, electronic check, the ACH network is how those funds are moving around. And with the different financial institutions that are offering the early direct deposit, early payday, what they are doing is when they're getting notification through the ACH network that funds are coming into your account from another institution, they are just crediting your account with those funds before they've actually been received. So it's a kind of a courtesy early access that these financial institutions are providing to you. They don't have to do that. That's why the traditional banks don't do it. They only provide these funds when they actually come into your account. But all the institutions that we've covered today, as soon as they get that notification that those funds are en route through the ACH network, they are providing you access to them in your account. So we hope today's video gives you some ideas about institutions to potentially bank with if you are not already getting an early paycheck. We will be covering more of these institutions in later videos, so please subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. Thanks so much. Have a great day.